The second activity from our algebra unit will be Operations with Polynomials, Part 1. So now that we know how to represent polynomials with the tiles, we can look at adding and subtracting different polynomials or putting them together. So like numbers, polynomials, or the terms within them can be added or subtracted. To add two polynomials, you have to combine like terms. You can only add the same things together. So like terms are terms that contain the exact same variable. So the letter has to match and the exponent has to match. So 3x and negative 7x, 4y squared and negative 3y squared, 5 and negative 11, because neither of them have a letter, they're both constant. So the variable part has to be not there or exactly the same, letter and exponent. Unlike terms are terms that contain different variables or have the same variables or letters and the exponents are different. So negative 3xy and 2y are not like terms. This first one has xy and the second one only has y. 15 and 7x are not like terms. 15 is a constant, 7 has an x. And here's an important one, 6x and 6x squared are not like terms. These are unlike and cannot be added together, because even though they both have an x, the exponents are different, 1 and 2. So if we look at something like negative 7x squared plus 4x, subtract 2x plus x squared plus 5 minus 2x cubed plus 3, a pretty long polynomial. But the like terms would be negative 7x squared and positive 1x squared, positive 4x and negative 2x, positive 5 and positive 3, and the remaining term, negative 2x cubed, doesn't have any other like terms in this expression. When using algebra tiles to add and subtract polynomials, we should still be looking to use the zero principle. There's a 0, there's a 0, or there's a 0. So whenever you have a positive red and a negative blue tile that are the same size, they cancel out to be 0. So the process of reducing polynomials to fewer terms is called simplifying. Simplify the following expression. 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, subtract x squared plus 5x minus 6. So we're going to group the like terms. And again, remember, the term is always locked with the sign that comes directly before it. So positive 3x squared, negative x squared. Negative 2x, positive 5x, positive 4, and negative 6. Now we're going to combine the like terms. 3x squared take away 1x squared is 2x squared. Negative 2x plus 5x equals positive 3x. Positive 4 take away 6 is negative 2. And don't stress out too much right now if you're not really comfortable with where those numbers came from. We are just adding and subtracting integers, but we're going to do some modeling with the tiles that will hopefully make it a little bit clearer. So the two expressions are equivalent. The top and the bottom are the exact same, but we call this one simpler because it has fewer terms involved.